Voila, bonjour et good morning everyone at magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Andito na naman tayo on the road papuntang Nazareth. Ayan, so enjoy guys. Voila, we are now in the car. We just rent the car from Jerusalem to Nazareth. So abangan nyo guys yung aming adventure dito sa Nazareth. So, see you soon! The Church of the Annunciation, sometimes also referred to as the Basilica of the Annunciation, is a Catholic church in Nazareth in northern Israel. It is one of two claimants to the site of the Annunciation, in which Angel Gabriel appeared to the Virgin Mary and announced that she would give birth to Jesus, the other being the Greek Orthodox Church of the Annunciation. The Church of the Annunciation in Nazareth commemorates the place where the angel Gabriel visited Mary and delivered the invitation for her to bear God's Son. The Gospels of Matthew and Luke both describe the birth of Jesus, but they disagree as to where Joseph and Mary lived before Jesus' birth. Ayan guys, andito kami sa gitna ng mga maliliit na street na to. Normally, this is the market, but it's closed today. Maybe it's holiday. So, ayan, hindi namin matagpuan. And it is the grotto of Annunciation, where according to the New Testament, the Archangel Gabriel appeared to the Virgin Mary and announced that she was to be the mother of Jesus. The grotto has part of a mosaic floor dating back to the 5th and 6th century. So after visiting the Annunciation Basilica, now we are on the road to go to Akko. Akko or Acre is a port city in northwest Israel on the Mediterranean coast. It's known for its well-preserved old city walls and a tunnel, and the walls is the Treasure in Walls and ethnographic museum depicting daily life from the Ottoman times. Old city, the history of Akko was shaped by Phoenicians, Romans, Umayyads, Templars, Ayyubids or Ottomans. So it's the truly unique place in Israel. The old city is also well preserved, so it's no wonder Akko is on the World Heritage Site list. It's indeed one of the best UNESCO sites you can visit in Israel. In the middle of the 1st century CE, Akko was declared Roman colony and named Colonia Claudia Ptolemais. The port of Akko became the center of trade together with the coastal cities of the Aegean Sea and the Black Sea, Italy and North Africa. For the first time, Roman road was built from Akko to Antioch.
Ah oui, ça, t'as bon, pasta. Ah, c'est ça le salade. Ça, c'est de roses, des olives. Wow, t'as vu tout ça? Je comprends rien.
So guys, voila, this is the port of Akko, the famous port of Akko. It's beautiful.
Voilà, this is the promenade, the sea, no, promenade.
So now we're going to drive to Tiberias, the Sea of Galilee.
Nazareth à 500 mètres.
Nazareth. We are in Nazareth. Ep5 do Barbary. Eucalyptus. Here there is eucalyptus. It's like in Australia.
Is
You
a calendar
plant
common
the
Africa.
eucalyptus everywhere. Wala guys, andito tayo sa Sea of Galilee. Dito nag-preach si Jesus Christ sa buong Galilea na to. Yan. So, hindi tayo pwede bumaba. The Church of the Beatitudes is a Roman Catholic church located on the Mount of Beatitudes by the Sea of Galilee near Tabgha and Capernaum in Israel. The church is located on a small hill overlooking the Sea of Galilee, the traditional mount on which Jesus delivered the Sermon on the Mount. The current church sits uphill from the ruins of a small Byzantine-era church dating to the late 4th century, which contains a rock-cut cistern beneath it, and the remains of a small monastery to its southeast. Part of the original mosaic floor has also been recovered and is now on display in Capernaum. Christian pilgrims are known to have commemorated this approximate site since at least the 4th century in her itinerary of the Holy Land, after describing the Church of the Loaves and Fishes. We are in the Sea of Galilee, the Lake Tiberias region of Tiberias, no?
C'est pas région, c'est Tiberias.
Tiberias, yeah. So, voila. We are in the
La région,
lake
c'est Galilée.
Sea of Galilee. It's in the region of Galilee. Voila. The Holy Galilee.
This is where Jesus
Where
walked
Jesus-
on the water.
Yeah, Jesus walked in that water in the middle
In the middle of the storm.
of the storm.